Welcome to our next lesson, Chaturthi Vibhakti, dative case. The equivalent preposition used in English, for and to. In bracket, give is given. It says whenever the verb give is used, to becomes fourth vibhakti in Sanskrit. To is used along with go also. That time to becomes dvitiya vibhakti in Sanskrit. For example, I give a book to Ram. To Ram. Ram becomes chaturthi vibhakti in Sanskrit. I go to school. To school. There the verb is go. Hence, school becomes dvitiya because it is destination. The preposition to is used in dvitiya vibhakti as well as in chaturthi vibhakti. When the verb is go, to becomes dvitiya vibhakti. When the verb is give, to becomes chaturthi vibhakti. Let us practice some words in chaturthi vibhakti. First four words are akaranta words. Next three are akaranta words. First four are pullinga, next four are strilinga. Deva. Devaya, devabhyam, devebhyah. Devaya, for God, to God. Devabhyam, for two gods, to two gods. Devebhyah, for many gods, to many gods. Indraya, Indrabhyam, Indrebhyah. Indraya, for Indra, to Indra. Indrabhyam, for two Indras, to two Indras. Indrebhyah, for many Indras, to many Indras. Janakaya, Janakabhyam, Janakebhyah. Janakaya, for father. Janakabhyam, for two fathers. Two fathers. Janakebhyah, for many fathers, to many fathers. Gajaya, Gajabhyam, Gajebhyah. Gajaya, for one elephant, to one elephant. Gajabhyam, to two elephants, for two elephants. Gajebhyah, for many elephants, to many elephants. Now we move on to strilinga. Ambaye, Ambabhyam, Ambabhyah. Ambaye, for mother, to mother. Ambabhyam, for two mothers, to two mothers. Ambabhyah, for many mothers, to many mothers. Lataye, for Lata, to Lata. Latabhyam, for two Latas, to two Latas. Latabhyah, for many Latas, to many Latas. Malaye, for a mala. For mala. Mala is a garland. Mala is a name also. So for mala, to mala. Malabhyam, for two malas, to two malas. Malabhyah, for many malas, to many malas. Let us move on to next slide. Let us understand the sentences. Ashvaha jalaya tadagam gacchati. Ashvaha, horse. Gacchati, goes. Tadagam, to a pool. Jalaya, for water. Jalaya, chaturthi vibhakti. For water, purpose. सूर्यः प्रकाशाय भवति. सूर्यः sun, the sun. Bhavati is existing. Prakashaya for what? For light. Prakashaya for light. Suryaha prakashaya bhavati. Sun is meant for light. Pustakam jnanaya asti. Pustakam asti. Book is there. Jnanaya for knowledge. Book is for knowledge. Saha bhikshukaya annam yachati. Saha, he, yachati, gives. Annam, food. Bhikshukaya, for a beggar. Yachati, yachati means gives. When give is used, to becomes Chaturthi Bhakti. So bhikshukaya. The person who is receiver should be in Chaturthi Bhakti. That's a procedure of Chaturthi Bhakti. Saha bhikshukaya annam yachati. He gives food to a beggar. Vrikshaha paropakaraya phalanti. Vrikshaha, trees, phalanti, bear fruits. Paropakaraya, for helping others. Para upakara, to support others, to help others. Paropakaraya, aya says Chaturthi Bhakti, for. Ambayai namaha. Namaha. Namaha means salutations. Ambayai, to mother. Shikshakaha malayai pustakam dadati. Shikshakaha, a teacher. Dadati, gives. Pustakam, a book. Malayai, to mala. Teacher gives a book to mala. Next. Udyana palakaha lataye jalam yachati. Udyana palakaha, gardener. Yachati, gives. Jalam, water. Lataye, to a creeper. Gardener gives water to a creeper. This is the introduction to Chaturthi Bhakti. Let us move on to the lesson. Navamaha Pathaha, 9th lesson. Sampradana Karakam. Chaturthi Vibhakti, 4th case, that is dative case. Kathina Shabdartha. Namaha, salutations. Swasti, welfare. Yachati or dadati, gives. Asuyayati, irshyati, becomes jealous. Kupyati, krudhyati, becomes angry. Sprihayati or rochate, likes. Let us move on to the sentences. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Namaha, salutations. Shri Ganeshaya, for Ganesha. Salutations to Lord Ganesha. Om Shivaya Namaha. Namaha, salutations. Shivaya, to Shiva. Salutations to Lord Shiva. Om Shri Narayanaya Swaha. Narayanaya, Shri Narayanaya, for Narayana. Swaha, offerings. I offer to Lord Narayana. Indraya Swaha. Swaha means offerings. Indraya, to Indra. This Swaha is used during fire sacrifice. These two words are not used normally. Then, Jivebhyaha Swasti. Swasti, welfare. Jivebhyaha, to the living beings. Chhatrebhyaha Swasti, welfare to the students. Akashaya Swasti, welfare to Akash. Akasha means sky. So, welfare to sky. Balakebhyaha Swasti, welfare to boys. Whenever Namaha, Swaha, Swasti are used, the relative words should be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Let us move on to next slide. Ramaha Yachakaya Bhojanam Yachati. Ramaha, Ram. Yachakaya, for a beggar. Bhojanam, food. Echati, gives. Rama gives food for a beggar. Dhanikaha bhikshukebhyaha vastrani yachati. Dhanikaha, a rich man. Yachati, gives. Vastrani, cloth. Bhikshukebhyaha, for beggars. A rich man gives cloth for beggars. Aham Rameshaya pustakam dasyami. Dasyami is future tense. Dadami, dasyami. Aham, I, Rameshaya, for Ramesh, pustakam, a book, dasyami, will give. I will give a book to Ramesh. अध्यापकः छात्रेभ्यः ज्ञानं ददाति. अध्यापकः, teacher, ददाति, gives, ज्ञानं, knowledge, छात्रेभ्यः, for students. सः स्वमित्राय ईर्ष्यति. ईर्ष्यति means becomes jealous. He becomes jealous of his friend. But in Sanskrit, ईर्ष्यति follows Chaturthi Bhakti. That's why here Mitraya is Chaturthi Bhakti. This is rule, Sanskrit rule. Balikayai pushpani rochante. Balikayai, for girls, pushpani, flowers, rochante, light. This rochate, rochante, this verb is peculiar. When this verb is used, the subject will become Chaturthi. Okay? Do you understand? When rochate is used, the subject becomes Chaturthi. Balikaye pushpani rochante. Flowers are liked by girls. You can translate like this, but it's not like that. Balikaye, for a girl. Pushpani, flowers. Rochante, liked. Girls like flowers. That's the meaning. Balakaya modakam rochate. A boy likes modakam. Modak means, what is that? A sweet ball. A type of eatable offered to Lord Ganesha. That's called modak. Balakaya modakam rochate. A boy likes modak. The subject is used in Chaturthi Bhakti because of rochate. Next sentence. Janakaha putraya krudhyati or kupyati. Janakaha putraya krudhyati. Janakaha putraya kupyati. Father gets angry with son. Since it is kupyati or krudhyati, the object becomes Chaturthi Bhakti. Father gets angry with son. Here in Sanskrit it's not with son, for son or to a son. Next, Balakaha modakaya sprahayati. Balakaha, a boy, sprahayati, wants or like. Modakaya, for a modakam. A boy likes modak. Kanya pushpebhyaha sprahayati. Kanya, a girl, likes flowers. Kanya, girl. Sprahayati, wants. Pushpebhyaha, for flowers. A girl wants flowers. So this sprahayati, kupyati, rochate, irshati, dadati, echati. Whenever these verbs are used, the learner should be careful to use Chaturthi Bhakti. When rochate or rochante, rochate is singular, rochante is plural. When we use rochate, learners should be careful. The subject should be in Chaturthi. Let us move on to next sentence. Idam dugdham balakaya asti. This milk, idam, this, dugdham, milk, asti is balakaya, for a boy. This is a simple sentence. Idam phalam Ramaya asti. Idam phalam, this fruit, asti is Ramaya, for Ram. Etat trinam ashvaya asti. Etat trinam, this grass, asti is ashvaya, for a horse. This grass is for a horse. Let us move on to the next page. Shiksha jnanaya asti. Education is for knowledge. Suryaha prakashaya asti. Suryaha, the sun, asti is prakashaya, for light. Kupaha jalaya asti. Kupaha, water well, asti is jalaya, for water. Lata pushpebhyaha asti. Lata, a creeper, asti is pushpebhyaha, for flowers. Pushpani sugandhaya asti. It should be santi. Pushpani sugandhaya santi. Flowers are for fragrance. Sugandhaya, for fragrance, for good smell. So, my dear learners, kindly repeat the lesson and understand. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.